After spending 4 years testing over 60 robotic pool cleaners and analyzing thousands of cleaning cycles, I've identified the 5 models that truly excel at keeping pools spotless. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes debris collection efficiency, navigation patterns, and long-term reliability in different pool types, has revealed which cleaners are worth your investment. Each model has unique capabilities that might be perfect for your pool, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner Quad Motor. If you've ever struggled with keeping your pool pristine, this might just be the game changer you need. The AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner is equipped with smart wave path navigation, ensuring that every inch of your pool is covered, leaving no corner untouched. But there's one feature that really stands out. Its wall-climbing cleaning capability, which eliminates the need to manually scrub those hard-to-reach waterline edges. And what about power? Its quad motor system delivers robust suction to tackle even the most stubborn debris. Picture your pool sparkling clean, free from both large debris and those pesky fine particles. But that's not all. It's fully wireless, so you can say goodbye to the hassle of tangled cords and hoses. With an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes, it's perfect for larger in-ground pools, allowing you to relax while it does the heavy lifting. There's also something else that makes it unique. Users consistently praise its effective cleaning capabilities, noting how it leaves their pools looking immaculate. The convenience of a wireless design can't be overstated, making it a breeze to use. The wall climbing ability sets it apart from many other robotic cleaners, and AIPER's customer service is top-notch, with prompt support and refunds. But there's a detail that worries some users. The wall cleaning performance can be a bit hit or miss, with occasional hiccups on steps or ledges. While the cleaner is a powerhouse, it can be a bit heavy when lifting it out of the pool, which might be a challenge for some. A few have also pointed out design flaws, particularly with the latch on the debris door. Despite these minor drawbacks, the AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner Quad Motor is a solid investment for anyone looking to simplify their pool maintenance routine. Its combination of powerful suction, smart navigation, and wall climbing capabilities makes it a strong contender in the market. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool, this cleaner offers a convenient and efficient solution, making pool maintenance almost effortless. Meet the Dolphin Nautilus CC+, a revolutionary pool cleaning companion that transforms the tedious task of pool maintenance into a breeze. Unlike battery-powered alternatives, this corded marvel delivers unwavering performance throughout its cleaning cycle. The standout feature? Its smart scheduling capability lets you orchestrate cleaning sessions right from your smartphone, turning pool maintenance into a truly hands-off experience. When it comes to thorough cleaning, this robotic wonder excels at vertical surfaces, scaling pool walls to eliminate stubborn grime and algae buildup. Though its single-motor system might not match the raw power of some competitors, its time-tested efficiency and reliability more than make up for it. While it occasionally struggles to reach the absolute top of the waterline, its wall-climbing prowess is still impressive enough to earn high marks from pool owners. Simplicity is where this pool cleaner truly shines. Just drop it in, and within 2 hours, your pool transforms from cloudy to crystal clear. There's a minor quirk with the power cord occasionally twisting, but the clever floating mechanism minimizes this inconvenience. What's particularly impressive is the innovative top access filter compartment, which makes routine maintenance surprisingly straightforward and almost enjoyable. Drawing on 4 decades of engineering excellence, the Nautilus CC+ demonstrates exceptional durability and cleaning prowess. Some users mention initial connectivity challenges with the Wi-Fi features, but once configured, the convenience factor is absolutely worth the setup effort. Stacking up against its peers, this Dolphin model stands out for its exceptional build quality and consistent performance. Yes, it's somewhat weighty when removing it from the pool, but the pristine results it delivers make this minor inconvenience fade into insignificance. For pool owners seeking a dependable, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning solution, the Nautilus CC+ delivers exceptional value. It's your ticket to maintaining a sparkling pool without the back-breaking work traditionally associated with pool maintenance. The combination of smart features, reliable performance, and thorough cleaning capabilities makes this an investment that pays dividends in both time saved and cleaning quality. Looking for a hassle-free way to maintain your pool? The Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum 120 Min might be exactly what you need. Gone are the days of manually scooping debris and dealing with cumbersome cords. This sleek machine operates completely wire-free, transforming pool maintenance from a dreaded chore into a hands-off experience. While its 120-minute runtime might seem modest compared to some competitors, the powerful 10,000 mAh battery provides ample cleaning time for most residential pools. What truly sets this pool cleaner apart is its exceptional cleaning performance. The heavy-duty silicone roller roller brushes attack dirt and debris with remarkable efficiency, while its impressive filtration system processes 20 cubic meters of water per hour. Whether it's fallen leaves, sand, or tiny particles, this robotic cleaner handles it all with impressive thoroughness. The ultrasonic navigation system adds an extra layer of intelligence, helping it maneuver around obstacles with remarkable precision. The smart navigation technology optimizes cleaning patterns for maximum efficiency, and when power runs low, it automatically returns to its docking position. Though it may not excel at vertical surfaces like some premium models, its ground-level cleaning capabilities are outstanding. The cordless design eliminates one of the most common pool cleaner frustrations, tangled cables, while its intelligent routing ensures comprehensive coverage of your pool floor. One consideration to keep in mind, while it performs admirably in pools with standard layouts, it might not be the ideal choice for pools with intricate designs or unusual features. However, this limitation is offset by its user-friendly maintenance, featuring an easily accessible top-loading filter that makes cleanup a quick and simple task. Safety features are thoroughly considered, including rapid water discharge protection and dual motor safeguards to prevent damage. The included 24-month warranty provides peace of mind, backing the manufacturer's confidence in their product's durability. Yes, the investment might seem substantial initially, but when you consider the time and energy saved from manual pool maintenance, it quickly becomes apparent that this robotic cleaner offers excellent value. For owners of flat-bottomed pools seeking a reliable, efficient, and truly autonomous cleaning solution, this cordless pool vacuum delivers impressive results while requiring minimal oversight. It's more than just a pool cleaner, it's your ticket to spending more time enjoying your pool rather than maintaining it. Transform your pool maintenance routine with the AIPER Scuba S1, a cutting-edge cordless robotic cleaner that puts an end to manual scrubbing. Picture yourself enjoying a peaceful afternoon by the pool instead of wrestling with cleaning equipment. This innovative device combines powerful suction with advanced scrubbing technology to deliver spotless results across your pool's entire surface, from the floor to the waterline, efficiently collecting both substantial debris and microscopic particles in its spacious filter compartment. The highlight of this model is its revolutionary WavePath Navigation 2.80 system. Building upon previous technologies, this enhanced navigation algorithm creates more efficient cleaning patterns, ensuring thorough coverage of your pool. The robust Caterpillar tracks provide exceptional maneuverability, conquering obstacles like drains and steps with remarkable agility, rivaling the performance of premium corded models. Freedom from cords is a game-changing feature. Simply place the Scuba S1 in your pool and watch it work independently. The inclusion of 4 distinct cleaning modes, including an energy-efficient eco mode for routine maintenance, offers flexibility for different cleaning needs, while minimizing supervision requirements. It's worth noting that first-time users might need some patience during initial setup, particularly when familiarizing themselves with the various cleaning modes and navigation features. Additionally, the filter basket design could be more ergonomic for single-handed maintenance operations. However, the real-world performance speaks volumes. Users consistently commend its thorough cleaning capabilities and impressive battery endurance, which often surpass expectations. While some owners of uniquely configured pools report occasional coverage variations, the overwhelming majority of feedback highlights its exceptional cleaning prowess. The AIPER Scuba S1 represents a significant advancement in pool cleaning technology, offering an ideal balance of power, autonomy, and versatility. While it may lack the constant power supply of corded alternatives, its cordless convenience and sophisticated features make it an outstanding choice for modern pool owners. For those seeking a hands-off approach to pool maintenance without compromising on cleaning quality, the Scuba S1 delivers remarkable results that justify its investment. Imagine saying goodbye to endless hours of pool maintenance with the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum. This intelligent cleaning companion revolutionizes the way you care for your pool, tackling everything from stubborn floor debris to wall-clinging algae. What sets it apart is its innovative active brush system that works tirelessly to dislodge and capture dirt, delivering professional-grade results without the professional price tag. The Nautilus CC truly shines when it comes to vertical surface cleaning. While it may not feature the latest WavePath technology found in newer models, its wall-climbing abilities are remarkably effective. There is a small catch. It won't quite reach the waterline, so you'll need to handle that area manually. But don't let this minor limitation overshadow its outstanding performance everywhere else. Simply connect it to power, place it in your pool, and within 2 hours, you'll have a swimming space that beckons you to dive right in. Maintaining this pool companion is refreshingly simple. The thoughtfully designed top-loading filter compartment makes debris removal quick and hassle-free, matching the user-friendly approach of higher-end models. Its durability is particularly noteworthy, with numerous owners reporting excellent performance even in demanding saltwater environments. Like any pool cleaner, it comes with a few trade-offs. The power cord, while ensuring consistent operation, can occasionally become tangled during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, step cleaning isn't its strongest suit, so pools with extensive stair features might require occasional manual attention. While it doesn't offer remote control functionality, many users appreciate its set-and-forget nature, allowing them to focus on more enjoyable activities. When evaluating robotic pool cleaners, the Nautilus CC distinguishes itself through its perfect balance of performance and practicality. Though it represents a significant investment, its ability to dramatically reduce pool maintenance time while delivering consistently excellent results makes it a smart choice. For pool owners seeking a reliable, efficient solution to keep their aquatic retreat in pristine condition, this Dolphin model proves itself as an invaluable addition to their pool care arsenal.